This is the only flashcard system you need for Year 11. First rule, we are sticking to DIY handwritten flashcards. Do not buy pre-made ones. The actual process of reading a textbook and forcing your brain to summarize a massive paragraph down to a tiny card is where the real learning happens. It is called active cognitive processing. I am going to show you the psychological trap that catches 90% of students when making these. But first, let's build the ultimate stress-free layout. Color code your cards. Physical geography on one color, human on another. Next, apply the 5-word limit. For a constructive plate margin, write, plates diverge, magma rises, shield. Then draw a simple doodle next to it. Your brain remembers a funny, ridiculous drawing much faster than an arbitrary sequence of words. If you are finding this helpful, hit subscribe and join the Grade 9 gang. We are building systems that actually work. Now, here is the illusion of competence trap. Stop writing entire essays on the back of your cards. A summary sheet is not a flashcard. You need one single fact or question per card. If you put 5 facts on the back, you recognize one and trick yourself into believing you knew all of them. Make sure you create bi-directional pathways. If the front says characteristics of a destructive margin, you should know the answer. But if the front just lists the characteristics, you also need to know it describes a destructive margin. Study them in both directions. And here is the golden rule, the one most people skip. Say the answer out loud, not in your head, out loud every single time. If you cannot physically speak it, you do not know it. You have the flashcards, but what is the actual daily routine? In the final video of this series, I am going to show you exactly how many minutes you need to revise this summer based on your specific target grade. Make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss the grand finale. By the way, if you want to grab the best blank flashcards for the job, I have popped a link to them in the description below. Grab those if you need them, and I will see you then.